absolute pleasure to have you with us on board today.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Yes, when we talk about the show, right, Khatron Ke Khiladi, it is a lot more synonymous to Rubina Dilek already.
Wow.
And this I wouldn't want to say because obviously I would want good content, but that is genuinely. We've seen a personality of yours in various shows, off screen as well, during other reality shows as well. So we already know what क्या होने वाला है खतरों के खिलाड़ी में आपकी तरफ से. So I just wanted to know what made you say yes to a show like this, whereas you already usually लोग करते हैं ताकि अपना fierce personality दिखा पाए, अपना एक जो अलग सा उनको उनके अपने इससे निकल के आना होता है वैसे कुछ establish कर पाए, but you already done that. So what made you say yes to the show?
I have changed a lot over these years, especially after becoming a mother. And when a woman embraces motherhood, she literally picks up the broken pieces and she rebuilds herself. With reality shows like Khatron Ke Khiladi, you actually test the waters and you find it for yourself. How well have you been able to build yourself? And if I have to look back, I think only very few women have proven their mettle after becoming a mother in a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi. I want to open up a path for all the new mothers to believe in themselves, and I am myself going to see how much confidence is still there or still needs to be built, because motherhood takes away so much from you, from identity to physical self to mental strength, and it is a lot to process.
I'm sure. So, while you're answering, it just popped my mind's eye that recently I heard an interview. I saw an interview Neetu Kapoor ji,
हाँ जी.
जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि she got back to movies mainly just to test her confidence. कि क्या वो
Absolutely.
है या नहीं है, because after a big sabbatical, it's not even sabbatical, it's like a huge break,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
after motherhood, she thought that she lost everything within her. This is years ago.
Yes.
At least now we have the medium to talk about what we're going through, right? So was this also your predominant decision? Let's test Khatro just to see whether I have it in me or not.
I completely resonate with Neetu ji, and of course, she's an epitome of beauty and strength, and we've seen it all through the years. That's how exactly women should come out, set an example, and pave a path for the others who are still not confident whether I should resume work after becoming a mother. Because society never gives us that space to be. इट्स ओके, वी विल नॉट जज यू. आप अगर गलती भी कर लें तो हम आपको इतना निचोड़ेंगे नहीं या नीचे खींचेंगे नहीं. तो एक कांस्टेंट जो आप स्क्रूटनी में रहते हो ना, that she's become a mother, not equally strong, or maybe will not be able to navigate her path. I don't know what is she doing. So there are so many things that a society always keeps throwing at you. And studies show that 62% of women do not resume their work after pregnancy, because such is the society who is unwelcoming of a woman who has just given birth, and they look down upon कि यार स्टेमिना नहीं होगा, स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होगी, अब वो उतना एम्बिशन नहीं होगा, और अगर एम्बिशन नहीं होगा तो शायद वो प्रूव नहीं कर पाएगी, तो इस प्रोजेक्ट में उसे रखना हमारे लिए हानिकारक होगा. Whereas with my journey, since I am blessed that I get this opportunity to show myself that there is still more that I want to achieve. There is a path that I want to pave for myself and my fellow contemporaries who are contemplating कि यार माँ बनने के बाद ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाएंगे. तो ये उन सब के लिए है. And hats off to all women who take this courageous step.
Right, absolutely. But when we talk about that, we want to pave a way for other women, and we want to be like not the flag bearer, but yeah, उनको motivate कर पाए, हम inspire कर पाए.
Even a single life.
Correct. But when we say that, it also I feel that we are blessed because we have such families behind us. We have such partners, we have such parents who are rock solid. Because it
Absolutely.
takes a village to raise a child, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
Right? So in your case, you have your husband, you have your parents who are making sure that your children get the same kind of love, warmth, and upbringing that you have got.
Yeah.
Right? And with Abhinav also, I'm sure it must be difficult because at the end of the day, both your babies, not just one, both your babies will be needing the little, mummy ka jo warmth hota hai, kabhi zyada.
Absolutely. And they are very little, they are very young.
Yeah.
To stay away from the physical proximity of
Correct.
me. And that's what I'm really struggling with. But with the question that you just asked, yes, it is very important to acknowledge the support that I get from my family, especially from Abhinav. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिर्फ इसलिए अचीव कर पाते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास एक सॉलिड फाउंडेशन है
Right.
और वो सॉलिड फाउंडेशन अगर हम एक्नॉलेज ना करें एंड इफ़ यू टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड कि यार ठीक है ना, घर पे काम तो हो ही रहा है, बच्चों का ख्याल तो रखा ही जा रहा है, आई डोंट टेक दिस फॉर ग्रांटेड. आई नो दैट हिज रोल एज अ फादर who is now taking care of my daughters more than me is so profound that it gives me a sense of relief, and that's what makes me speak confidently, calmly in front of you. With that, my mother taking care of my kids, my in-laws coming down, especially flying down to take care of my daughters, it is I am immensely grateful to them because मैं आज जो भी कुछ अचीव कर पाती हूँ ये उनकी बदौलत है. आई वुड नॉट टेक द क्रेडिट ऑन माई शोल्डर्स. वो जो मेरे लिए करते हैं साइलेंटली विद अ स्माइल, एंड they never would point out कि look, we did that for you, but I acknowledge it and I have to be aware of it, and that's what keeps me going, and that's what even gives me more strength कि यार घर वाले जब इतना मेरे लिए जदोजहद कर रहे हैं, I have no bloody excuse to step back or not to fear it.
Right, absolutely. With Khatro Ke Khiladi, you're going to be away from your babies for 40 days. Right? How difficult is it going to be as a mother to you and also for them? The video calls तो है ही, but वो warmth
Yes, नहीं, वो वीडियो कॉल पे भी हमेशा मम्मा आ जाओ, मम्मा आ जाओ, और वो मम्मा आ जाओ दिल मतलब यहाँ तक मुंह तक ले आता है मेरा. पता नहीं ये कैसे मैं इसे बैलेंस करने वाली हूँ. I am also not prepared for it. Actually, nobody prepares you for motherhood, and such are the challenges which all the working mothers are facing, and that also doesn't give us an excuse to not dream big. I want to dream big, take my family along, make my daughters feel that mama lived her dream with us along her journey. That's my entire intention.
Right. You know, as compared to other contestants, आपके पास एक छोटा सा weak point है that your daughters are there waiting for you at home,
Absolutely,
right? So do you think that can play a little against आपका जो focus है कहीं hill?
It will always play against me. It will always, and I am absolutely aware of it. Absolutely aware of it, because as a mother, nature makes you hyper vigilant. Nature kicks in that protectiveness and that fiercelessness. तो वो fiercelessness और वो जो protective instinct है ना, it can work against you. I'm aware of it. It's just that whenever I feel that it's overwhelming, I will have to calm myself down.
Right.
Because that's the real test for me. बाकियों के लिए खतरों से जूझना will be a challenge. मेरे लिए तो अपने अंतर्मन से जूझना will be greater challenge.
Absolutely. Right. And you know, when we talk about Abhinav, right, he's been such a chivalrous man. मतलब not just on Big Boss. हमने जब उनका interview भी लिया है, he's always been very soft spoken. He's never shown that starry attitude, and he's just अलग ही है. वो acting जो बोलते हैं ना, वो industry का लगते ही नहीं है वो as such. He looks very. So I just wanted to say, people this side of camera, this side of the screen on social media, they don't understand this. What happens is, even in today हम कितना भी बोले कि feminism है, it's the woman's world and this and that फलाना, आज भी जब एक mother, wife तो ठीक है, एक मम्मी जब आगे जाती है, and the husband makes sure that he takes a sabbatical at work and makes sure that the children have the kind of right upbringing,
Yes.
so that his partner is more strong and she can achieve her goals.
Very
So
true.
people don't understand that the beauty, because it takes wisdom to understand, but they only start targeting and all of that, and that's extremely, when I read comments, it's really heartbreaking.
Absolutely.
How do you deal? I mean, Abhinav ko to aadat ho gayi because he's made that decision, but he's made the decision for you. So how do
Yes.
you take it?
It is a wonderful observation, and I'm glad that you have pointed that out here, because when you keep aside your male ego and you know what is important for me, because this is my family, and when you bring that importance in a family and you knit it together, keeping your ego aside, it takes immense strength as a man to be saying that I will sit at home, Rubina, go live your dreams, because we will make sure that our daughters are taken care. And it's a conscious decision, because he knows how much I love my work. And for him, me finding that purpose is always primary. And I acknowledge that. Till the time we understand that we will have phases in life where he will be a builder, I will be a supporter, or where I am building my dreams and he will be supporting me, and we acknowledge it, it'll create a value system for our family. We don't run by the norms of society, or even to say the family expects this out of us. It's us, and we have our little family. We take our values from our elders, ancestors, parents, and everyone, and we want to give a different value system to our daughters, which is absolutely between us. So when people come and stand and talk about कि a man has to be a certain way, a woman has to be a certain way, this is how a man works, and this is how a woman should operate in a given setup of the society and family. We are fortunate enough to shatter those beliefs, break those ceilings, but it takes immense strength even for us to hold us together. It's not easy, but that also doesn't give us an excuse not to practice it.
And I believe that that is actually the true definition of a real man.
Absolutely.
जो हम बोलते हैं, that's all just a myth otherwise.
Yeah, as you also touched upon the topic of feminism, देखिए अगर एक मर्द एक औरत के अस्तित्व को वो जगह नहीं देगा खिलने की, हम कितना भी फेमिनिज्म के झंडे उठा लें, it won't be possible. So the masculine and feminine energy have to work in duality for us to believe that when Shakti has to show, Shakti will be seen. When Shiva has to reflect, the masculinity will be seen. So it is a beautiful balance between the two powers.
Right. And heading to the last two questions, Gaurav. बात सारी खत्म करो. So last two questions. We've read a lot about your children being at Shimla with your parents, right?
Yes.
Again, so I won't want to elaborate much on that, but a lot of people in social media or in general also say कि अरे parents तो अभी age हो गया ना, now they should live their life. क्योंकि grandparents का attention और affection तो होता ही है, but when will they live their lives, मतलब बच्चों के लिए कब तक करेंगे ऐसा? A lot of I've read comments.
Yes.
So I wanted to know कि how, मतलब what is your parents' take on this? Do they get annoyed because considering you want the same kind of upbringing, but when you were young, they were also young.
Okay.
But now they are obviously aging with, and now they have to handle kids who are, oh my god, आज के बच्चे are always such a blast. So yeah.
If we say that we don't abide by the social norms, and we try and shatter the myths and the way society thinks we should be operating, a larger way of living that life is contributed by our parents. My mother tells me, Rubina, I have gotten a purpose when I look into the eyes of Idha and Jiva, and they have given me a second life to live, and I want to dedicate that life in bringing them up. जो कमियां तुम्हारी परवरिश में रह गई थी वो मुझे पता है, मुझे इनकी परवरिश में कैसे पूरी करनी है. अभिनव के माता पिता एट द एज ऑफ 70+, वो अभिनव के बड़े भैया के बच्चों के लिए भी एक रात अगर दिल्ली जाना पड़े लुधियाना से वो जाते हैं. हमारे बच्चों के लिए ऑल द वे मुंबई अगर आना पड़े वो खुशी खुशी आते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर न्यू फाउंड पर्पस. सो व्हेन द सोसाइटी सेज कि अब दादा दादी या नाना नानी को अपनी उम्र जीने दीजिए, हम ये कह रहे हैं कि वही दादा दादी और नाना नानी अपने खुद के सामर्थ्य से कहते हैं कि हमें हमारे बच्चों के लिए ये करना है. सो आई थिंक हमारे माँ बाप ने हमारे लिए ये एक नया वे ऑफ थिंकिंग डाला है कि यार सोसाइटी कहती है रिटायर हो गए तुम अपनी ज़िंदगी जियो, बच्चे अपनी ज़िंदगी जिएंगे. वो हमारे माँ बाप खुद नहीं मानते हैं. तो जब वो नहीं मानते हैं तो दुनिया जो कहे उनको कहने दो यार.
It answers it all.
Yes.
Yes, and one last question related to the show.
Yes.
कि हमने तो खतरों के खिलाड़ी, obviously as I started the interview with the same, I wanted to know that what is that one khatra that Rubina has taken, basically one risk that Rubina has taken in her life that changed her life for 180 degree.
I have always put myself at risk, be it with the selection of shows like Shakti, where I played a transgender, being fiercely a part of one of the biggest reality shows in India, Bigg Boss. Doing Khatron Ke Khiladi for another season, hosting a show like The Ward, which जब मुझे सुनने को मिलता है is like, Rubina, you had the heart of taking the risk because the others just said no. And I am of a opinion, इतना लाइफ आपको इतनी यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है, व्हाई डोंट यू जंप अप एंड यू से दैट यस, व्हाई नॉट, एंड व्हाई नॉट नाउ. सो आई थिंक दैट my personality somewhere attracts a risky mahal, and I just say life is too short to be content.
Right.
Have desires, be greedy as much as you can, and I always say have goals, look up for all the materialistic possessions, because once you achieve them then you realize that they were not that important.
Right. Absolutely.
So please do that.
Yeah, and lastly, tomorrow's Mother's Day.
Yes.
What would you like to tell your mom and your babies as well?
मेरी माँ के लिए तो साष्टांग प्रणाम है, और मेरी मदर इन लॉ के लिए भी, क्योंकि मदर इन लॉ जो है वो इंश्योर करती है कि मेरा पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल मेरा ही रहे, और मेरी माँ इंश्योर करती है कि जो मेरा पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल है वो बच्चों में हमेशा से बना रहे. सो आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ मदर हु बिलीव्स इन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग फॉर माई चिल्ड्रन, एंड आई बिलीव दैट ऑल द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स शुड बी ऑफ दैट ओपिनियन कि हमारे जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए वो सही है.
Right. This is so well put and so overwhelming also to hear. No, thank you so much for your time, and we wish you really, really all the very best.
Thank you so much.